Good morning from the temple town of Gujarat in the west to Bodh Gaya in Bihar in the east, from Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu to Uttarkasi in the north. Even in Holy Ghats, in Banaras, in Uttar Pradesh, you will find a mark of a remarkable legendary lady. Do you know who am I? I am Ahilyabai Holkar, the Queen of Maharashtra. I was born in the village of Chandi on 31st May 1725. My father's name was Mankoji Rao Sindhe and my mother's name was Shushila. During those days, women did not go to school, but my father taught me to read and write, and I grew up leading a modest. Malhar Holkar was so impressed by me, and he brought me to Holkar territory as bride for his son. After Malhar's death, I took the chance to be a queen in 11 December 1767. I was widely known for my wisdom, courage, and administrative skills. I was a great pioneer and builder of Hindu temples. I constructed hundreds of temples and dharmasalas and drinking water facilities throughout India. I introduced the postal system in 1783. I ruled for 28 years and made my people happy. Jai Maharashtra! Jai Bharat!
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon.